This chopping board's looking a little bit tired, it's a bit dirty and it's got loads of scratches in. So what I'm going to do is to sand it down and just seal it with olive oil. You can sand it down by hand or you can use a hand sander, but what I'm going to use is my electric sander. It's got some quite deep scratches, so what I'm going to use is a P80 grade first, and then I'm going to use a P120 grade. Okay, that's looking pretty good now. All I'm going to do is to go over it with the 120 grade sandpaper and do the edges as well. And now I'm going to oil it just with this olive oil. I'm going to put a couple of coats on. I'll let it dry and then I'll put a second coat on after the first's dried. I'm just going to put it on just with this bit of kitchen towel. Drying, and then I'll give it another coat. Okay, now for a second coat. Great, that's looking much better now. It's all dry, and now I can use it again as a chopping board. For watching, and remember to subscribe for some more videos.